Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and it is time for a paper pumpkin unboxing. And I just got this one. Look how pretty that box is. So it's the July 2024. It's called Painted Petals, and the box is beautiful. So let's go ahead and check this out. Ooh, look at this. Oh, I'm already excited. So let's go ahead. Here are the stamps. It looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 stamps. We'll look at those when they show us in the paper. Our color spot is gray granite. I just love this paper. It looks like it might be, what, melon mambo perhaps? But I will set that aside with the rest of my papers. I'm going to be using those in some upcoming journaling, and I just enjoy it. So love when they give us those pretty colors. And let's go ahead and see what we've got here. I'm looking to see if I missed anything. No. Okay. Ooh, look at those. Those are so pretty. I cannot wait to make these with you guys. I make them with you live, in person, on Zoom, on the first Wednesday of every month. So unfortunately, it's too late to order this one, but I hear in the next one they're going to have an additional stamp set, so you get to get 2 stamp sets, and I already know that they are numbers, you guys. So we currently don't have any number stamp sets, so that would be perfect to add to your collection. So you just need to sign up for Paper Pumpkin before the 10th of each month. So, okay guys, look at this. So pretty. We've got different colors here, and the flowers are all different. So it looks like we're going to be making 9 cards, 3 of each. You guys, oh, love it, love it. And then this little guy here, it looks like we have some, what do we have? We've got some little, they're not gems. Of course, I can't remember the name because I'm on the spot. We've got some tabs that are double-sided tape, and then we have some mini embellishments. Let me know what the name of these are. I keep coming up with crystals. They're not crystals. They are, oh, I cannot remember. We'll see if I remember by the end. But if you could help me out, just let me know. Ooh, I just got a sneak peek. We've got the instructions here. Here is the stamp set. So we've got a hello, let's celebrate you, friends like you make life beautiful, you're simply the best, I'm so lucky to have you in my life. We've got some half chevron stitches there, and then this beautiful flower here as well. All right. Oh, you know, when I do the paper pumpkin put togethers, we make 1 card as is, so 1 of each type of card. And then, you guys, this will be cut up. I can guarantee that this will be cut up and will be made into 2 different cards. That is just what happens. We make alternatives, and I just love it. So it's got that splatter, which you guys know I've been loving that recently. And just this beautiful muted florals. And then here is this one. Super pretty. Oh, I'm just loving this. Okay, what's all this? Wait, let me get these other 3 card bases. So pretty. All right, now we can get into fun cutouts and stuff. Looks like we've got the 3 different colors. What color is that? Is that like Calypso Coral maybe? They do tell us the colors, I believe. Let's see. Calypso Coral, Daffodil Delight, Granny Apple Green, Gray Granite, Old Olive, yep, Melon Mambo, Mossy Meadow, Peach Pie, and Pretty in Pink. So we've got the Old Olive, the Calypso Coral, and the Melon Mambo here. And then, oh, these are die cuts. These are die cuts that are die cut to the actual sentiments. So these will fit. Where are they? You have to find the right one. Once you find the right one, then you're good. I'm thinking that's what it is. Yes, so that one will fit here. The Simply the Best fits right in there. This fits here. That one, what's that one say? I'm so lucky to have you in my life. And then what's this one? Oh, there we go. What does that say? Oh, friends like you make life beautiful. So they're already cut out. I love that. And then we have some additional cutouts here. And these are of, oh, here's one that's starting to come out. So I'll take this one out. When you take these out, you just want to do so gently. I usually try and take them all out at the same time. But when they are delicate like this, you don't want to just, see, normally I'll take them like this. And then I'll pop them all out at the same time. But when they're delicate like this, no, I don't take that. But this is what they are. I cannot wait. Oh my goodness. We are going to have so much fun. And I'm just going to real quick look at the date and let you know it's a ways away. I wish it were sooner. It's not until August 7th. So that's when we'll be making these. And I will have some alternatives and so much fun. I'd like to do it sooner. I'll be out of town, so the 7th works perfectly. But I like this, that they have started to make these, because you look at some of the past paper pumpkins and we never had these. We kind of had to like stamp our own and make our own, which is easy enough. But there we go. So we know exactly what it is, and we can put them in their little carrying case. So, all right, beauties, I hope you will join me in getting Paper Pumpkin subscription boxes each month. And if you like Paper Pumpkin or you like this channel, please give me a big thumbs up. It helps my channel, and I would greatly appreciate it. All right, beauties, have a wonderful weekend, and I will talk to you later. Bye.